Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable web search results in the Windows 10 or Windows 11 Start menu. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'm recommending naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on either your computer or an external hard drive. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you would do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now we're ready to begin, and we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double click on that. Same thing for policies. And now locate the Microsoft folder and double click on it. And there should be a Windows folder. Just left click on that one time. Right click on it. Select New and then select Key. Name this key Explorer, Explorer. Hit Enter. And now on the right side, now that we've selected Explorer, which is our newly created key, right click in a blank area on the right side, select New, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value Disable, Search, Box, Suggestions, and hit Enter. And double click on this value that we just created and type the number 1 in the value data field and select OK. And now that you've done that, you can go ahead and close out of the registry editor, and you will need to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.